German philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer was born in the year 1788 and died in the year 1860. How do you judge yourself, especially for your life? What kind of lifestyle you wish to have? Every day, human beings worry. The reason to have some worry is human beings wish to live seriously. Of course, seriousness is necessary even to live well. What is that the meaning? What kind of year it was? The year 1788. 1 year later from the year 1788, people in France experienced French Revolution in the year 1789. Schopenhauer loved solitude. He said, "Love solitude. If you do not love solitude, you cannot have freedom." I'd like you to free yourself from mental bondage. If you free yourself successfully, then you have freedom to do anything. Especially in your mentality, you can get out of unnecessary pieces of stereotype. To live stereotypically is a way to ruin your individuality. Love yourself. Love your existence. I dare to be powerful enough to live as a being, infinitesimal,